guys, it's Katie from Freckles and Sprouts again. I just wanted to show you how I like to sort my ever-growing seed stash. Maybe you're just getting into growing from seed. Maybe you are an absolute seed hoarder like me. But I eventually, a couple years back, had to find a way to keep things somewhat organized. This is not super meticulously organized. I didn't want to overthink it because I tend to do that and then I don't keep up with it. So this is just kind of real basic organization. I did it a few years back when I was less experienced. But still, I'm not looking to change it. It didn't cost me anything. I just got creative with stuff that I already had on hand. I remember seeing years ago how people use the photo storage boxes from Amazon. And I think it was gonna cost me like 30 or 40 bucks to get everything that I needed. And it's so smart. It's really organized and keeps everything dry. But I don't want to spend 30 or 40 bucks. I would rather spend that money on, I don't know, more seeds. Let me show you what I did, and maybe it'll inspire you to dig something out of your closet and use what you already have on hand instead of buying more. So here they are. It's just these two baskets that I had in my daughter's nursery. She got older, we redid her room, and I just didn't have a purpose for them anymore, as well as all the scrapbooking paper that I had got on clearance that was just sitting there wasting space. So what I did was I took the two pieces of scrapbook paper, stapled them together on three sides, left the top open to make like a pocket envelope. So I slide the seeds in there and I keep it closed with the binder clip. I label it at the top left-hand side, and then I can just thumb through them really easy and find what I need. It's all alphabetized, and I have them separated by edibles, and then flowers and herbs are over here. So there you go, super simple, didn't cost me any money, and I saved all that money for some more seeds. Please let me know if this inspired you at all. I'd love to hear what you think down in the comments. And please do not forget to like and subscribe. It really helps me to continue what I'm doing here. I just really enjoy sharing this all with you guys. So thank you for being here. Have a beautiful day.